2020, the do's and don'ts of Amazon FBA. What's up guys, this is Sam, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys the 5 things that I plan on doing with my Amazon business in 2020. So stay tuned because it's coming right up. What's going on everyone, this is Sam here and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, I do want to apologize for being so late on putting up another video. I have been finishing up my last semester of college, so that has been taking up my time. So now that I'm done, I will be making more videos for you guys and sharing the knowledge that I have regarding Amazon FBA and creating passive income online. So let's get started with today's video guys. So it's a new year, it's 2020, and I hope that everyone has some kind of goal or plan laid out in front of them that they like to achieve this year. And so with me, I wanted to share with you guys the 5 things that I want to get out of my Amazon business in 2020 and hopefully in the years to follow. So with that, let's get started with number 1, and that is this year guys, I am going to be adding at least 2 more products into my brand. I've been kind of talking about this for the last few months now, but again, my hands have been a little bit tied up with school, so I didn't really have time to kind of dive in and get started with it. But now that it's a new year and I'm officially a college grad, I do hope to start adding 1 or 2 more products, hopefully before the summer starts or towards the end of summer. And so I will be making videos about that process for you guys as well, so you guys can kind of see what it's like from the beginning to the end to add a product onto Amazon FBA. Number 2 is I do want to kind of start all over with my listing optimization, both for the product that I have right now and the products that I will be adding in the future. What I want to do is I want to kind of optimize it for keywords that are relevant in 2020 and things that people are looking for when they kind of scroll through Amazon and are checking out items. So what I plan on doing again is keyword optimization for all my listings, and I want to add some new product photography where I'll have like descriptive like words or details on each picture, kind of illustrating what the product is about. The third thing I want to accomplish is I want to create a whole new email campaign to send to my customers after they purchase my product. Currently I'm running an email campaign through this software called JumpSend, and if you guys aren't familiar with it, JumpSend is basically a software that allows you to automate email campaigns to people that purchase your product through Amazon. I think recently, it might have been last year, JumpSend and Jungle Scout kind of became one like big company. So if you own Jungle Scout, I'm sure you own JumpSend as well, but don't quote me on it. I haven't done my fair share of research on that yet. But right now, like I said, I'm running an email campaign where I just ask for 1 review. Eventually, I want to get to the point where I'll ask for 2 reviews. So that way, like if the person doesn't read my first email, the second one that comes through to them will ask them for another review or a second attempt of them writing a review so I can get the credibility on my listings up. Goal number 4 is I want to get to $1,000 in net passive income a month. To explain what I mean by that, net passive income is the income that I generate after all my expenses have been paid for. And by expenses, I mean things such as the cost of my product, Amazon fees, any kind of subscriptions that I have that assist in the automation of my Amazon business, holding costs, advertising costs, anything that I have to spend to keep my business running would be considered an expense for me. And after I pay off all of that, I want to make at least $1,000 in net passive income. And finally guys, the last goal that I have for my Amazon business for 2020, and it's something that I've always wanted to do, which is to get a trademark for my brand name. Now there's a lot of benefits that come with having a trademark. It makes you more official. It gives you more protection as well. And regarding Amazon, it gives you more flexibility when you have a registered brand versus when you don't have a registered brand. The main difference between having a registered brand and not having a registered brand is that with a registered brand, you get to do more listing optimizations and include more keywords and have a better looking page on Amazon than if you were to not have your brand registered. And so I want to get that done this year, guys, so I can have a more visually appealing listing for my products versus what I have right now, which isn't bad, but it could always be better. So there it is, everyone. Those are the 5 big goals that I want to accomplish with my Amazon business in 2020. I plan on documenting all of this for you guys so you guys can see what it is that I'm doing and how it is that I'm doing it, so you guys can understand how you can do it as well. I hope that you found this video helpful, inspirational, and motivational to get started with whatever it is that you guys have laid out in front of you for 2020. And I hope you guys are successful at whatever that you guys want to do. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet for more content similar to this. My name is Sam, and I will see you all in the next video.